Come test drive the 2008 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel ABS, fog lights, daytime running lamps, air conditioning, rear-wheel drive, tire pressure monitoring system, chrome package. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.